Namaskar. In this video we will see how to update reporting reviewing officer. First, login as an employee. Click on employee services on the left sidebar. Click on manage reporting reviewing. From here you can update reporting officer email, reviewing officer's email and the tour authority email. The process is same for all. To update the email ID, click on update email ID. From here select your respective MDO. Here we will choose NA for demo purpose. Select the Nodal Office and the employee. Click on Save Changes. You can see the old email ID and the new email ID. Click on Update. Request ID has been generated and is now pending at Nodal Officer side. Now log in from the Nodal side. Switch the role to Nodal Officer. Go to Request in the left sidebar. Click on Pending Request. In the Search Request drop-down, select RO to Roth. The request will be displayed here. Click on Action and Approve. The email to be updated will be displayed. You can approve or reject the request with proper comments. Enter the comments and click Submit. The request is now approved and it can be verified at the employee side. Now we have login from the employee side. To verify, again click on Employee Services, Manage Reporting Reviewing. Here you can see the email ID has been updated. The same process is to update reviewing officer email ID and the tour authority email also. Thank you.